Learn it.
Hey, wait, you guys didn't do
Oh, wait, the intro. What the fuck?
Okay.
Hands, put your empty hands in mine. And scars, show me all the scars you hide. And hey, if your wings are broken, please take mine so yours can open too. 'Cause I'm gonna stand by you. Oh, tears make kaleidoscopes in your eyes.
Are y'all ready? I'm gonna put it in.
Hey, you need to fix your camera.
It's already started.
Can you get up and fix it? She's stuck. Oh, and can you just keep an eye on my baby real quick?
Ready? Oh wow! Oh, dirty food.
Dad, just take out Haley.
Hi, welcome to my vlog. Today I have my family with me. We're gonna try the noodle challenge. And if we don't finish it, they're gonna finish it.
Yes.
Because you want to try it. Okay? Who's gonna finish first? Cam. Alright. 3, 2, 1. There it is.
How do they do this?
I told her I'm gonna.
But we're not really finishing it.
She took my drink. Girl, back. Because it's still like might be hot.
Get the blue.
I know.
So cover your face, Ned.
Here.
Give mommy back her drink.
We're all crying. Don't cry, guys.
Quit.
Mommy. Quit already? Mommy.
The more you stop, the more hot.
Yes, you can drink your drink.
Uh-huh.
You can. You just can't stop.
My tongue is numb.
Hey.
Stop moving.
No more.
You're done.
My tongue is numb.
Don't drink.
It makes it worse. I'm crying.
Here. Don't drink. That's it. I'm done. Make it touch your lips. But I think later I'll try again. Maybe.
I told you to stop. You just keep on. He's really pissed off.
I told him to stop. He went for another place.
Guys, I'm dying. He hasn't got to me all day.
Here, give me.
My tongue is numb. No, I'm not eating any.
Okay. Pizza.
Here.
Not really for
Wait, we're done eating.
These are all gonna be crying.
We're all dying. 4 of us finished.
Okay. We didn't finish the whole 5 packs of noodles.
We're gonna leave the rest for 2 more people and see if they'll eat it. I have no idea whose drink I just drank, but I drank someone's drink.
That's my drink, fool. Oh.
Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on those notifications. Still need a name, so leave a comment down below. My mouth is burning.
Comes in.
I know. I don't know where my daughter put my remote.